Hello friends, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we are going to learn how to write 10-line essay on the topic How I Spent My Winter Vacation. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First line is, my winter vacation was filled with lots of enjoyment and joy. Second line is, I created great memories with my friends and families. Third line, the vacation includes two crucial festivals, New Year and Christmas. Fourth line is, I especially love these festivals and go to my relatives' places to celebrate. Fifth line is, this year we all had planned to go to my uncle's place. Next line is, my uncle lives in a beautiful farmhouse at Darjeeling. Seventh line is, so this trip was very special for me. Eighth line is I was quite eager to reach the place and see the mesmerizing view from there. Ninth line is the place looked like a little heaven to me, but the trip was for a few days. Last line, that is line number 10, is my winter vacation was so short and chill.